Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer documents with Google Workspace detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer documents with Google Workspace, begin by logging into your Google Workspace account. Open Google Drive from the main dashboard. Locate the document you wish to transfer. Right-click on the document to open the context menu. Select the Share option from the menu. In the sharing settings, enter the email address of the person you want to transfer the document to. Choose the appropriate permissions, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Click on the Send button to share the document. To transfer ownership, return to the sharing settings by right-clicking on the document again. Next to the person's email address, click on the drop-down menu. Select Make Owner to transfer ownership of the document. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to confirm the transfer. If the recipient is not already in your contacts, you may need to send a sharing invitation first. Once shared, the recipient will receive an email notification about the document. Advise the recipient to check their email and accept access if necessary. If you need to transfer multiple documents, consider creating a folder in Google Drive. Move the desired documents into that folder by selecting them and dragging them into the new folder. Repeat the sharing process for the entire folder, providing access to multiple recipients at once. Remember, document changes will be reflected in real time for all users who have access. Always ensure your sharing settings align with your privacy preferences. After completing these steps, your documents will be successfully transferred to the desired recipients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.